Hey Subbies, I'm here to share with you some wonderful advice when it comes to starting your YouTube channel. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of the amazing uploads that I have to share with each and every one of you sensational Subbies. And make sure you follow me on my social media. My Twitter's Comedy Addict, my Instagram's Comedy Creation. Let's get into these amazing tips, tricks, and advice for starting your YouTube channel. The easiest way to start your YouTube channel is to come up with ideas that you are passionate about. For example, if you're into books, start a channel about book reviews, hauls when you go to the library or bookstore, and completing bookish character quizzes. Because if you're starting a YouTube channel with something that you're passionate about, it is going to make it a lot easier to continually create content for it because it's something that you love to talk about or love to do. The easiest way when it comes to filming for your YouTube videos is to use your phone, because phones have beautiful quality cameras and also excellent editing software that you can even download for free on your phone's app store. And by having the editing software free on your phone, you can film, edit, upload all within the snap of your fingers. On an Android phone, the best free editors that you can experiment with is Filmora Go, spelled Filmora Go, Power Director, or Video Show. And on iPhone, the thing that I've used to edit is iMovie. It is free and it has worked absolutely excellent for me, which I also use iMovie to edit on my laptop as well. I have a MacBook Air. Using iMovie to edit on your iPhone makes it super simple because you can drag your clips right onto the timeline and add text, especially if you're wanting to mention your social media channels. Makes it super easy for users to see how the usernames are spelled so they can easily search them on the social media that you share with your audience. Once you have videos uploaded to YouTube, I strongly suggest that you create playlists. It makes it super easy to categorize your videos and also easier for subscribers to watch videos in order, especially if there is a video series. To do this, go to YouTube, click on your profile in the upper corner, click on YouTube Studio, scroll down the left-hand side and click Playlist. Click Create New Playlist. Title your playlist and click on Public, and then click on Create. The next tip I have is to create a schedule for your uploads. It not only creates organization in your YouTube life, but also makes it easier for your subscribers to know when to be on the lookout for a new video, similarly to when you're interested in a TV series. You know that that TV series airs on a specific day of the week and at a specific time. Which is why I love being able to schedule YouTube videos in advance, so that you can make sure that they are always uploading on the same day at the same time. A wonderful app that I like to use on my phone for being a YouTuber is the app YouTube Studio. It'll make it extremely simple and efficient when it comes to adding your thumbnails, because you can easily add the thumbnails that you create from the apps that you use that are saved to your phone and add them right onto your video because of how simple it is when you're using the YouTube Studio app to do so. And it also makes it super easy when you're using YouTube Studio to reply to comments when you're out and about or you're just sitting in a different room away from your computer. An excellent app that I like to use for making thumbnails is called Phonto. That's spelled P-H-O-N-T-O. It is absolutely free to use and it makes some amazing thumbnails. I've also shared a video here on my YouTube channel where I show you how to create YouTube thumbnails using the app Phonto. If you're going to be using a photo for your thumbnail, the best tip is to make sure that your phone is in landscape mode to make it easier to size the photo in the Fonto app so your photo will be the correct dimensions. The most important advice that I have when it comes to creating your YouTube channel is to have fun. There is nothing more important than being able to enjoy what you do and share what you're passionate about with the world. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing uploads that I can't wait to share with each and every one of you sensational subbies. Make sure you also are following me on my social media. My Twitter is Comedy Addict. My Instagram is Comedy Creation. I can't wait to share so many more wonderful fun videos with each and every one of you sensational subbies. Until next time, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you in my next video. Bye, subbies.